verifying some. Basically what you were looking at, all of your fraction math was at multiply and divide. All your identities were very basic identities. We're going to step into problems that have fractions where you have to add and subtract them, get a common denominator, get these some of the advanced identities. Okay, so you're going to have to do some algebra skills like factoring. All right, so we bring all that into play. I don't know if I go that far. Okay. But the same 4 rules will apply. So here's more of an example of a medium. So if you want me to note, this would be more of the middle ground of how hard they are. It looks it, but it's really not as hard as you think. The thing you gotta look at these is that if you choose the wrong method, so remember those 4 tips, what were they? You can use identities.
Fraction,
Confused. It is running a little low on memory at this point. Okay, so if you choose one, it can be better than choosing another one. Okay, and with these medium hard ones, it'll take you the long way around or give you the shortcut. Okay, so what are your first thoughts on this one? Change the sine and cosine? Is that what I heard?
That's what I tried to do.
Okay. That's going to be the long way around.
Well, so tan and cotangent just cancel each other out.
Yeah, so look at this. Is there a relationship between the two?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's sine, cosine, and then cosine over sine, which makes 1.
1. Howdy, folks.
Howdy.
Okay, so that's the faster way. You can still solve it using sine and cosine, but it takes a lot longer. Okay, so basically your first thing you need to look at is the relationships between these phrases. Okay. Tangent times cotangent is 1. Now, again, what are you thinking? It's an identity. This is an identity.
It is.
Yeah, secant squared x. So the identity, I think, is stated like this.
And that's
perfect. You just add the 1 on.
So if you take the 1 and subtract it over, you have your identity, right? And so this turns into a 2-step verification. If you choose the right ones. Okay. Therein the key. Do you want me to go through choosing the wrong ones?
No.
Just see the pain and suffering.
Show me what I'd probably do.
Well, it's not, like, it'll still get you the right answer. Like, you'll still verify the identity, it just takes longer. And it might involve some fractions. Okay, so,
Wait, I don't get how you got that.
okay, secant is, and we can do the same thing here.
Oh.
No.
Okay. That's one.
I know, it's painful. Feel it.
Oh, you're starting from the beginning?
I really didn't make it back. You
Okay, so this is a different solution method. This is what I know from a lot of people.
Starts with, then can't you just cross out that move?
Okay?
Yeah.
So you've changed the sine and cosine here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. These will go bye-bye, and you end up with
This is deleted really quickly.
Because I already written more than the first one, huh? Okay. But if you do this, it's okay.
I'm.
All right. Now what do you think? A couple different routes we could take. Oh, hey, there's a superb algebra option.
Let's see it.
There's cosine squared.
This is something I didn't think of, but you can do this.
Isn't that cancel it?
What does that do?
Let's make
It gets rid of the denominator.
Yeah.
Woo! Right? So I'm going to distribute.
So cosine.
So this cosine over cosine is 1 minus cosine squared is sine squared. That looks a lot more simple. Now, what you got?
Isn't that?
It's probably
It's probably an identity.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I remember seeing that one. I don't remember what it's for.
Here's what it's based on.
that's how it works. It's all
Remember the Pythagorean identity?
Oh, yeah.
You're trying to make it look at.
Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So if I set this equal to sine squared by subtracting those cancel out. Sine squared equals 1 minus
I
cosine.
kept warning of that though.
So now we can replace with an identity, and we're done.
And all that, and it just
Oh my god.
Okay, we got the right answer.
Even if we did
Okay, what? Okay, what was I thinking here?
add more.
I'm going to use the common denominator, cosine squared, and I was going to use an identity just like this, but I was going to get common denominators, and then if you get rid of the denominators, this is just a little bit more painful, but it works still. Okay, so there are multiple options for each one of these. Okay, multiple options. Okay, let's look at one that requires. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Keep up, computer. Yeah. A little bit more involved in that one, huh?
Yeah.
Proving you have to plug something in.
That's to, oh, I forget this word. Plugging it into your,
Okay, so,
yeah.
again, you got 4 things you can do. What's your first thought?
change the
Don't
one
do
on the
that,
right
just say
side
one.
to
The identity.
cosine.
Like,
Okay, change the sine and cosine? It's reasonable.
Well, it looks like it's gonna be really long.
Um,
Or is it our best option?
Can't ask him, never know. Just gotta send it.
Always got send.
yeah.
One minus cosine
We're just
squared.
never.
The beautiful thing about being human, you don't always think of the best option, you have to operate within the parameters that you set.
Wait, can't.
Best or not, it is what it is.
Can we get rid of?
And get your writing pencil sharpened, because,
I don't even know.
So I picked the long way.
is that right?
Yeah.
Right, on the right side of pencil, it's on.
Okay. So we used, change the sine and cosine, right?
I should have just said algebra. One for not.
Okay, what does this give us?
Copy that.
Copy dot flip,
And I didn't need one.
Just gives you some.
sine times sine.
Oh, sorry.
Which is one.
or sine squared. Do you need me to write that down?
No, right.
It's sine A times, flip this, sine A over 1. Sine squared, right?
Which is the same
Okay, plus,
squared A.
Cosine squared.
recognize it? You better recognize it.
I could put that in again.
Yeah,
This isn't too
so
bad.
this is a fraction thing.
Yeah, it's because
Yeah, and then we've already said, well, that's probably an identity.
If I could put them in the.
So it is. So if you see something obvious, you can do it.
Yeah.
Would you copy that flip down? Oh, that's only.
You can just,
But
can
that
you
comes with
eliminate
the
the, oh no, you can't because it's.
You got a common denominator, right?
Right.
Okay, so
One minus.
Over two sign or times two.
the sine squared. It's fractions, so leave the denominator the same. Remember that? Side note.
Oh, exactly what it is.
Right, did you change the denominator? They're the same. Leave it the same. Same rules apply. Okay? You are using your algebra rules and your fraction math rules. Don't change them. Okay. What is that side? You recognize any of that?
Oh, that's one.
No, it's not, because I have the 1 minus in it. That's good thought. Let me do this. Something was familiar. Same identity. Yeah, 1 minus cosine squared
It's
is
gonna be sine squared or sine squared, which is one.
Oh,
sine squared. One equals 1. So we use a couple identities to make that more simple.
Oh, never mind.
So have your identity sheet right next to you, always looking for those to show up, because they will show up. Questions here? Okay. Again, you could have taken a different route. If all of your math is correct, it will get you to the same spot. Maybe not this same spot, but you'll get two things that are equal to each other, which is what we're looking for, right? Okay.
Got it.
Next one. Here, one more to show you.
Is this the hardest one?
Yeah, that would be a more difficult one. And then, let me show you this one, and then we'll just have to see.
This is Jesus, what they do.
I know.
That Jesus.
My question is, like, how do you and turn this into 1. You look off this, you look
Is that a 75?
Now you go.
Oh, no.
Is it five?
Okay,
Don't mess with the screen.
We got
That's
seven
why we-
inside the thing.
I don't do this on a daily basis.
These are
Obviously you do.
Looks bad, but is it?
No.
You can ignore the.
It's like wet roads in the winter. They may look icy, but they may not be.
No, it's like,
Well, you
it smells like the icy.
I think it's gonna end up being one.
Can you just take away one sign and one cosine with the bottom?
Oh,
Okay. Don't commit an algebra atrocity and kill a puppy dog.
I am.
There's a plus sign here. Is there a sign in this term? No, that's cosine, right? There's no sign there. You cannot cross sign out. If you're going to get rid of sign out of this denominator, it has to be in both terms. Okay. Cosine, you can't do anything.
Oh, because they're multiplied in there.
Right. You have two fractions added, so
This is insane.
you're thinking though. You're doing algebra here, but
Can you make-
what's another option?
Can you make the second one 7, would that be 7 over sign?
Yeah, you can change the sine and cosine there.
Oh, on the other side?
Secant is not sine, is it?
Oh, no, it's
You can't cosine.
Good catch.
Technically,
this catch, yeah,
These explain to themselves.
Okay. So we use some change in sine and cosine there. So something you can do to the left side?
There's gotta be like.
no.
And then we think. There's no fraction
He
division.
does.
There's not. It doesn't. Any ideas about make that left side?
Can you multiply both
Yeah,
of
just
my
multiply
sign and
both
cosine?
sides by 7 cosine.
You just multiply the denominator sometimes.
Sure. Why not?
Or,
Okay, let's rewrite it and then I'll make it plainly obvious. Who's music sound?
Probably gone.
Yeah, probably true.
I'm gonna light switch Raven here soon. You guys don't know what that is? It's a shame.
We're on phone.
Of course, gosh, that was.
Shame that we don't know what a rave is.
No, a light switch Raven.
Oh, light switch ring?
You know what a light switch Raven is?
Oh.
Your lights on and off.
Yeah.
There you go, okay. Sorry, it was like 15 years ago. No, it's longer than that now.
Like 3 fourths and then
Thank you, strong man. All right. So, somebody mentioned this is a good idea. This is something that I don't think about very often.
What? I'm not even.
I am going to multiply by, what does that do?
That
What do you
cancels the
do multiply by
denominator.
side and cosine? Oh,
Gives rid of the
the
denominators,
That is pretty cool.
okay?
You're right, it is pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Which makes it 7 cosine.
The route I was thinking is split this into two fractions,
Yeah, I don't want.
which,
Oh, it does.
I'll show you that.
It just solves it out.
Okay, so, cancel, right?
Yeah.
On the left side, we have that. Keep up. It has troubles with my Disney. Left or right side?
7 sine.
Oh, that would make,
No, seven.
wouldn't that make like cosine?
If I distribute this,
Oh.
Take away the bottom. You're gonna get just the other side.
the cosines cancel here, right?
Yeah.
So what am I left with?
Yeah.
Seven
Seven
sine.
sine. And here, what cancels out?
Sine.
So I'm left with,
Cosine.
Oh, so you really didn't have to do anything.
That was easy. I'd rather do that.
hey, you're done. That's why that was a good idea. Faster. marginally faster than what I was thinking.
Yeah, that's nice.
Again,
Yeah, it's-
we'll give it.
What were you thinking?
Here's what I was thinking. This will be it, and I'll give you time to work, and you'll hopefully take advantage of that. So from here, those are fractions that are added, correct? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so I was gonna split it. Come on. So that is a fraction option, like they're added up, I'm gonna split it with the common denominator,
And then you
okay?
cancel.
Then I was gonna do this.
Oh.
And we get the right side.
Makes exactly the same.
Oh, the exact.
Okay, so
that
again,
actually
not,
makes sense. I know.
and we're good. Okay, so I guess I wasn't as slow as I thought maybe, but there you go. So either way works, it doesn't matter. We get the same thing each side, we're good to go. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, questions? Okay,
Yeah.
Mom is way back.
The right to say questions. I believe that I am wrong.
can be gone.
It's rhetorical.
Yes, I would.
No, I doubt it. Say that a little louder, you know? There you are. Yeah, exactly.
To start, so this is the worksheet that is posted on Google Classroom, 1 through 9 odd, or is due tomorrow. I want to say,
You said odd yesterday.
yeah, odd. Tomorrow we're going to do 2 through 10 even, if necessary. So if you guys show me that you know this, we can move on. But reduce our pain and suffering. If you're having trouble, we can take tomorrow and fix it. I should probably show you how to do it. Try number 1.
I helped you too.
Yeah, work number 1 right now.
I think I can fit.
You can put this on your homework paper if you want, because it's part of your homework.
Hey, come on.